Hey everyone, welcome back to Code with Gary. So till now, in our playlist, we have learned about creating a linked list and inserting a linked list. So now there's one more thing which we are remaining with in a single linked list is deleting. So before moving on to deleting, what I want you all to do is we will be solving a few questions. Okay. So the first question which we'll be solving today is reversing a linked list. So this is the question we have here. Given the head of a single linked list, reverse the list and return the reverse list. What we have to do is this is the linked list we have. One is pointing towards two and then successive go on. So what we have to do is we want to make two point towards one, 3 point towards two, and so on. Like I'll just show you. So this is the linked list we have been given. So what we want to do is we want to make five towards four, four to point towards three, three to point towards two, and two to point towards one, and one to point towards none. So this is how we will be reversing the linked list, right? So this is the head node we have first of all here. This is the head node, and this is the null node. I mean, this will be pointing towards null. So we have to make uh, one pointing towards null and then two pointing towards one. So what I am thinking of is, what if we use two pointer strategy, right? What if we use two pointer strategy? So what we'll be doing is this will make two nodes. One will be previous, and another one will be current node. Okay. So also, like, if I am here, right? If I'm at one, and if I want uh, two to point towards one, what I'll have to do is I'll have to like delete this relation, right? Like one connects should be now equals to null. This is what we'll be doing. But in the process of doing this, what will happen is we'll lose this whole linked list right here. This four elements will be losing because this link is the only thing which is keeping us alive with this whole linked list. So to prevent that, what I'll do is I'll make a temporary node which will be pointing towards this element, the next element. Okay, so let it be temp node. So first of all, while coding, okay, so first of all, what I'll do is I'll make temp is equals to current, not exactly current, yeah, current ka next, current ka next, right? Because when we'll be at one, we'll be storing this address in our temp. When we'll be at two, we'll be storing third address of three in our temp. So this is what we'll be doing. And then after the like we are sure that this is secured, we will just change the address. So one ka one, which is currently current. So current ka next will now go equals to previous, which is pointing to null right now. Am I right? Yeah. This is previous and this is current. Okay. So after doing this, we'll just increment it. Like what we'll say is increment curve and then increment previous, previous. Uh, yeah. So okay. So let's go to node previous is equals to null right now, and then node current is equals to uh, what was it equal to head, our head node. Also, we are making a temporary node which will be securing our address of our next node. So that will be null as of now. So we'll be putting a loop while by the time we end the uh, while by the time we reach the end of the loop, end of the linked list, where current will be equals to 0. So while current is not equals to 0, means till the time we don't reach the end, what we'll be doing is uh, we'll make first of all, yeah, we are storing the temporary node. So temp is equals to previous connects. Am I right? Yeah, temp is equals to previous connect. And then what are we remaining with? So we made temp is equals to previous connect. Then we're changing the, now we can change the address of this node, right? The current node. So current next now can be equals to previous. And once we have done this, we'll just increment our. So previous will be equals to cur, and cur will be equals to next. Yep. Not next. I mean temp. So now we'll be returning the previous one. Let's see trends. Oh, my bad. It's lit code, right? So they use list node instead of node. So yeah, it's what's the error we have here? It says temp is equals to. Oh, my bad. It has to be correct. Yeah, because we were making sure, right? This is correct context. Yeah. So yep. So you can see we have passed all the test cases. But there's still one test case where, yeah, see, what if the head is null? We haven't put any test case for it. So in case if the head goes null, if head is equals to null, or head connects is equals to null, means there's only one node in the linked list, then there's no point reversing it, right? Is equals to null. What I'll be saying is just return head. So yeah, I hope it runs successfully. Yep, awesome. Let's just submit it. And we have the solution ready. Awesome, it's accepted. So, yep, that is it for today, guys. Thank you very much.